Good day, gentlemen and ladies. As you can see right behind me, I'm back in my basement. Why? Well, we homeowners always have our weekend chores, the normal one and also the maintenance ones. And since it's pouring rain outside, it's gonna be raining until Sunday afternoon, which is good. I mean, I'd rather have rain than forest fire. And so no flying for me, no firewood making. I have only perhaps 2 or 3 trailer of firewood to do, and I will be done. But obviously, with the thunderstorm and rain, it's not a good idea. So I'm back inside my basement with the most boring video of all. I have to finish to paint my not the cupboard, but the that place in there. I forget the word. Sorry about that. And yeah, so I need to empty it and just paint it. I went to get some outstanding paint. This the paint I've been using for my floor, for my basement floor. Just hold on, it's not quite a good light. Just hold on. I'm using the Seco paint. It's latex floor paint, all right, satin finish, ideal for wood and concrete surfaces. And also, that's the same paint that I use for my front garage door, which withstand all winter long. It was a test and outstanding outside on wood. I'm going to do the empty that. I'm going to paint it and I'm going to show you the results. Very short video. If something come out, I will add up. All right, cheers. Yeah, another thing that I'm running behind because of the weather, I was planning also to clean my chimney and also take care of my wood stove, but since we have that pouring rain, that will occur another time. But I will definitely make another video about that and show you other tips, alright? It's amazing how much you can have inside these little rooms. I mean, it's about what? 6 feet by not even 3 feet lower than that. All right, I'm about to do the trimming. Oh boy, stick around. As you can see, I did that side there. I'm just gonna extend myself because all right, and I did some touch up all the way down there, as you can see. I even woohoo, it's slippery. I even did some touch up in front of my wood stove here, as you can see. It's very nice touch up. Some spot even I dropped things on the ground like steel tools and stuff like that. But that paint, that Seco paint, where did I put the gallon? It's on my bench down there. It's very outstanding. So stick around. I just have to wash my roller, paint roller, and my brush, and I shall return. Alright folks, so a short video today, definitely. I'd just like to add that my floor fan is still working. It's a great asset during the hot spring, summer, and it will be because this week twice, Thursday and Friday, we reached 30 to 32 degrees Celsius, and it was dry also. And inside my house, all right, all windows closed. At the first level, the main entrance, it was 21 degrees Celsius. Upstairs, it was 25 degrees Celsius. So I didn't have to take to start my heat pump upstairs to cool down my house. Usually at these temperatures, yes, I will have to activate my heat pump to drop the temperature, and the temperature will be 25 here and 28 upstairs. So there's a big difference having that floor ventilating also. It's a very great asset. All right, so thank you very kindly for all your standing support. This weekend it was nice to have a rainy weekend because I need to rest. These 20 hours flight that I've done the last 2 weekends had taken a toll on me, on my health. I'm a little bit tired. Not tired enough to make firewood, but yeah, perhaps, maybe. All right. So yeah, thank you kindly. Remember, folks, all right, let's share our knowledge. Remember, you don't need to be a YouTube creator to pass your knowledge. Leave a comment and do remember, weekend wars. Various type of chores, you need to rest, all right? And take care of yourself, all right? Remember, folks, life is good. All right, cheers. Empty. Thank you, Joe. All right, sorry, folks. I cannot stand still and doing nothing. Between rain and I've got to move. I'm tired, but I've got to move. All right, still advancing. All right, cheers.